We live in a very loud world. Everyone is talking, the phones are ringing, and we are always busy. In the middle of all this noise, it is easy to forget who we are. But there is a secret way to come back home: introspection. Introspection is simply looking inside yourself. It is like a mirror for your soul. To find yourself, you don't need to travel to a far country. You only need to be quiet. Ask yourself simply questions. What makes me happy? What am I grateful for today? What is the lesson in my mistakes? Introspection is the solution to all your problems. Look within yourself.